till 29th July. As of today, we have distributed 95.58% of the forms. It's around 5 crore 30 lakh forms. And we have already digitized 2 crore 20 lakh forms. It's around 40%. So we have already distributed 95% of the forms and we have digitized around 40% of the forms. Today is the 16th day, 15 days completed. We have 15 more days left with. So we exactly crossed 50% of the days regarding the process concerned. And till date, we have identified around 13,96,000 ASDD voters. It means absentee, shifted, duplicate and dead voters. The list has been already shared to all the political party representatives, that is booth level agents at the booth level, and the EROs are already directed to give the list at the assembly constituency level to the concerned recognized political parties. And regarding form distribution is concerned, around 13 districts have distributed 100% of the forms. Chamarajanagar, Chikballapura, Davangere, Haveri, Kolar, Koppal, Mandya, Raichur, Uttar Kannada, Vijayanagara, Yadgiri, Kodagu and Hassan have completed 100% of the distribution. At the same time, regarding digitization is concerned, some districts are performing more than 50% of digitization. Chikballapura has crossed 64, Haveri 62, Davangere 59, Koppal 58, Hassan 57, Chitradurga 56, Chamarajanagar 55, Bengaluru 54, Raichur 54, Chikmagaluru 54, Mandya 52, Uttar Kannada 50, Shimoga 50, Belgaum 50 and Ballari 50. Some assembly councils have performed more than 50%. Mayakonda has done 83% of digitization so far, and Hangal has done 76% digitization, and Chikballapura has done 76% digitization so far. Regarding BBMP is concerned, GBA is concerned, Bangalore Urban has distributed 75% of the forms, Bangalore North has distributed 83% of the forms, Central has distributed 81% of the forms, South has done 78%. Overall, the GBA distribution percentage of enumeration forms is 79%. And regarding digitization, BBMP is taking up this week. They have already done 7.5% of digitization, and in the coming days it will be improved also. Regarding BLAs, booth level agents are concerned, in Karnataka, all the recognized political parties have appointed so far together 1,31,626 booth level agents, and all the booth level agents, the BLOs are already directed to give the list of ASDD voters at the booth level to the booth level agent for the sake of verifying. If at all any mistake is being committed by the BLO regarding marking of ASDD, the mistake can be rectified now. So that's why I have respectfully requested all the recognized political parties of Karnataka and their office bearers to kindly verify the ASDD list of done by the BLOs to the at the booth level. So this has been already conveyed to all the political parties also. Regarding the daily reports are concerned, we have been sharing every 2 hours once the reports to all the political parties of Karnataka and all the DEOs, EROs, AEROs and friends from media. So all of you will be getting those reports every day. So these are the measures taken by CO office as per the directions of Election Commission of India to ensure the transparency of the process. And I request all the stakeholders, including all the recognized political parties of Karnataka, to cooperate and to support the field activities. At the same time, I request all the voters of Karnataka, if you have not received your forms, the forms will be delivered to you within few days. At the same time, whoever have already received the forms, I very respectfully request all the voters of Karnataka, kindly fill the form, sign the form and hand over form back to the BLO. Thank you very much.